So today we got a parcel from Get Ready Comics. So let's have a look, see what we've got. Mainly because I can't remember.
Yeah, let's do this. So here's the box. You can't see the top because it's got the address on, and Kathy is now ready to cut the box open. Well, not cut it. Just rip it. Hang on. Go on.
Ooh, wonder what we got.
Let's see.
It's all for me.
Oops. Right.
So, we've got the Mickey Bean.
Right.
Cinderella Pen. And, I forgot that. Oh, Toy Story.
Cool.
That's Jasmine and Aladdin lenticular. That's beautiful. Now.
It is, isn't it? It's not going in your collection. You got the
collection.
no. You got these to just a swap, so don't even go there.
Tiana.
Oh, Star Wars one.
Actually,
There's
Star
two,
Wars.
yeah, because of one for my collection.
I don't know.
Yeah, because you got two of them.
One each. This one.
No, if you got two.
Don't make me fight for it.
No, because if you wanted the princesses ones, then you should have got two.
I
One
don't
to
know
swap.
we like princesses.
Well, no,
I like them.
no swaps.
Oh, that's cool. Isn't it? Sliding thing. Sorry.
Okay, just let's
Chippendale
put this.
Christmas.
You do realise these are supposed to be for swaps. How many make swaps with Kathy? I do not know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, just watching me opening. Love it. Flounder and Sebastian. So fun, none of them are making swaps. Right. Grogu. There's actually two Grogus.
Right.
And we've got two Peter Pan sets. And oh, this is a big one. I need extra hands on this one.
Extra hands. Ah.
Oh no, that's the one.
Yeah, there you go. You need two extra hands then.
Two of them. One for my collection, one for swap. Just one for my collection. This was never a swap. I paid for this one. Same as I paid for one. What else have we got? Oh yeah. Sliding Peter Pan. And Toy Story Buddies. Buzz Lightyear.
Just I'll do a run over of them once you've unboxed.
And Panda Poo.
Hey, that could be mine. Hey. So, just a little selection of what we got.
No.
Oh, it's got some else.
A Swizzle Sweet.
Oh, cool, sweets.
I only buy pin badges for sweets.
So that's it for the unboxing. What I'll do now is set them all out, and I'll just go over with the video to show which pins we've got.
So they sent us this picture as well, and it says on the back that thanking us for our custom from their independent shopping business, and they partnered together with amazing talented artists to include their work with our orders. This is from an artist called Kat Sanford, who is on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter as Kiss Cat Doodles. So she likes designing whimsical and magical pieces, mythical creatures. So if anyone wants to take a look,
we'll put that in the link.
Yep, I'll put a We'll put a thing in the link. Ding.
I think. So there you go. If you want to pause it as well, you can always get the links off that. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, so here's a quick rundown on them all.
So we've got the Mickey and Minnie date night pin. We've got Tiana Lenticular. We've got the Little Mermaid, Flounder and Sebastian. You've got 2 Evil Queens, Curse Your Heart. You've got Chip and Dale Christmas.